All right, working on my son's BMW. It's a 2010 328xi. Okay, so I just wanted to talk about the oil filter here. Okay, so either rear retarded or this is broken, but I'm not sure. So this is in reference the AMSOIL EA15K54 filter. Okay, so they all come like they're see-through like that, right? But what our problem was is this part here came out with the old filter. So if you're looking for this and you're wondering why this isn't a part of this filter, this comes out. Now I don't see anything broken or misaligned in there. Like this part here, it all looks good. There's no broken bits. So if you come across that problem, all you do is you just push this piece out of your old filter and just plop this back in here, just like that. All right, thanks for watching.